Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the starter on my 1997 Chevy Express van. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be replacing the starter on this van. Unfortunately the van is too tall to fit in the garage, so I will be doing this out here where it's nice and warm. Alright, well, the sun's gone down, so no better time than to show you what's going on here. You can hear the starter making some pretty awful noises. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is actually disconnect the ground off of the battery. Just pull that away from the battery. So I do need to jack this up a little bit so I can slide under the passenger side and get to the starter. Alright, so coming at this from the passenger side. I've never been under here before, so she's pretty oily. But there are two bolts, look like they're 9/16 that hold these in, that hold this in. And I might be able to get these loose. However, I might not be able to film it and get these loose. Alright, so now that that's out, got the wires disconnected, the starter's out of there. Just got to get the new one put up in there, connect those wires, and then it's just those two bolts that hold it in. So we'll just take a few minutes here to do that. And there's a lot of oil all over this engine, but you know, it's a Chevy 5.7. So there's the new starter. I'll go ahead and get that underneath there so I can get that hooked up. Joel is down here helping me out, so I can try and film some of this. I actually don't know if I'm getting anything that tight, or am I just kind of... not tight enough to like have the right size. I'm working on trying to get that electrical connection on. Oh, okay. So you got the starter bolts in already? I got one like started. Oh, okay. It's not even like fully on. I just kind of got it in there to hold it up so you can connect the wires. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's not a very, I mean, it's easy to get to, but the wires aren't very convenient.
Well, starters in general aren't very convenient.
Right. Alright, well, she's going in. So we did work on this pretty late into the evening, and it actually did not start once it was all done. This is equipped with a block heater, so I went ahead and plugged that in, let it sit for quite some time, and now we'll see if it'll start. Alright, well, here goes nothing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.